I know you have a mathematics degree, but you
Yeah.
found the number of women entering technical degree programs very discouraging.
I often think, part of the equation is, of course, the unconscious biases that we all deal with. But a second thing is simply the stories we tell ourselves. How often do you wake up in the morning and you say, hey, this is what I'm good at and this is what I'm not so good at? And I think women need to hit pause for a moment and say, I could be good at that, and let me give it a shot. So I've had the privilege of coming up through a technical career and finding myself in a position where my skills and abilities are vitally needed in our industry. I think more women need to question that. Another thing is men and women wonder about how parenting affects their overall career. And a lot of women traditionally have said, boy, if I take time off for kids, that's going to put a big dent into, my career plans. Well, careers last decades longer now than they did when I got started in the 1980s. And so my message to folks is, you have time. Take your time with your family. Do what's right for the kids and be there for them. And know that you can engage and really advance in a career that's going to give you decades of productive years after the children are raised. I'm really glad you asked that question, because there's something else going on in our society right now, which is we have an administration that is saying, frankly, we want to have less regulation, we want to get out of the way, right? So businesses have this opportunity to step forward and lead. And I'm going to tell you, businesses have a responsibility to lead. We provide for jobs that sustain families, and so we've got a responsibility to keep this thread going. The reason we're talking about it as Siemens is because it's a business imperative. The unemployment is at an all-time low, and what we've got to do is make sure that we have access to people in order to keep our business going into the future. So for us, this dialogue is all about business success, and it actually shows through in the bottom line. I'm proud of the fact that we do speak up as a company, and as you look across society right now, you are seeing more companies step up and speak up. It's time.